Welcome back to the kitchen. Tonight we're doing spicy creamy chicken pasta. First of all, we want to get our penne pasta into boiling water and get that off and cooking already. A little drizzle of oil. We're going to get the chicken in the pan for 4 or 5 minutes so that's golden. Quick seasoning, salt and pepper. Now we're going to add the shallot in and the garlic. Now we're going to add a little bit of the Cajun Spice mix. Now be careful, this is hot. If you don't like it too hot, just add a little bit less. Okay, so what we're going to do now is add a little bit of water. We're going to add the passata in and the chicken stock paste. Just going to let that bubble away there, probably about 10 minutes, let that thicken up a little bit. Going to add in the baby spinach a little bit at a time so that wilts. Going to stir through half the Italian cheese.
Yes, ma'am.
Added in the Creme Fraiche. Going to add the drained pasta in. We're going to combine that really well together. Serve and enjoy.